Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 26, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Third row and fourth row, we have 7. Column H also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. First grade, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come any other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come any other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in other 2 cells. We will confirm later. First grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column G, 4th row, we have 3. 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Second grade, 9th row and 10th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row and second grade, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Second grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 9th row, we have 4. 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, column J, we have 5. 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column F, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 6th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 5th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column J, 3rd row, we have pair numbers 5 and 6. 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, 5th row and 7th row we have 8. Eight can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column D, column J, column H we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column D, column H, we have pair numbers 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 9th row, column B, column C, we have 8. Eight can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. First grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, 8th row and 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 9. Column H, column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th row and 10th row, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 6th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 10th row and 9th row, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells, and 7 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 6. 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column I, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column I, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. then 1 is here. Seventh grade, two numbers are remaining 6 and 9. It will come in another two cells. Ninth row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Second row, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column C, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column I, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Ninth grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 3, it will come in another two cells. 10th row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 10th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. 7th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column D, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column D, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.